Hello guys, ito na siya. Alam mo yung nag-vlog na babae guys. Englishera siya. So, ang pinaskop ko sa kanya ay 3 scoop. So, try pasok na natin sa okay. Let's put it in this and open it. Let's put it in. I'm so super excited. She was a crush. Let's see. Let's open. Oh my gosh. Okay. Pencil case. It's so cute. Flower clip. I love this. So cute. So glasses. Yes, for sure. And grabbing things. This is what I love the most in the world. Okay, guys. Okay, that's all. Bye.